Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Noise app on your smartwatch and wake the screen to begin. Grant microphone and notifications permissions when prompted to allow live measurements. Navigate to Settings and set the decibel threshold to 85 dB for alerts. Choose Continuous Measurement and set the sample duration to 1 minute for accurate readings. Ensure your watch battery is above 20% before enabling continuous monitoring to avoid unexpected shutdowns. Keep the watch snug on your wrist for stable ambient sound capture throughout the measurement period. Raise your wrist or tap the noise display to view real-time decibel readings instantly. Watch the numeric dB value update and notice short-term peaks and averages over the 1-minute window. If sound exceeds 85 dB for 1 minute, the watch will send an alert to warn you. Use headphones or audio sources at reduced volume to test responses while watching the display. Move through noisy environments and observe how transient peaks versus sustained levels affect the measured decibels. Understand that sustained exposure above 85 dB increases the risk of hearing damage over time. When your watch alerts, reduce device volume or use ear protection immediately to lower exposure. Review daily logs and weekly summaries on the companion app to track cumulative noise exposure trends. Aim to limit time spent above threshold levels and prefer quieter routes or environments when possible. Export or screenshot summaries if you need to share data with a clinician or workplace safety officer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.